Does your stable diffusion images looks like this? Do you want to turn them into something like this? Then you have come to the right place. Sit tight and let's begin our stable diffusion upscale. Open up your automatic 1111 web UI and let's begin. First, we will need to create a base image in standard resolution. I'll be using this prompt and Rev animated model, both of which you can grab from the description below. Copy and paste the prompt inside this text box. Click on the blue arrow key so that the prompt values loads up. And then hit generate. Boom! The image generated here is 512 x 768 resolution. As you can see, it looks acceptable, but the resolution is quite low along with some artifacts. Now let's do a standard upscale with the help of high-res fix. I will upscale the image to 2x, so let's keep the upscale by to 2. As for the upscaler, I will be using the one called 4x Full HD Remakri. This upscaler works best for illustration and painting style models. If you are using photorealistic or semi-realistic ones, then go for 4x Ultra Sharp. Since these upscalers are not present by default, so you may have to download them from the link in the description below. Or just Google OpenModelDB and click on this link. Go to the website and search for Remakri in the address bar. Click on this and download the upscaler from here. After downloading, move the files to this directory. You may need to reload the UI in order to use it, so just do it. Once done, select the upscaler and then set the denoising strength. I will be using the denoising strength of 0.6 here. You can use anything between 0.4 to 0.7. Just keep experimenting until you find the right value for your image. Now let's hit generate. Boom! As you can see, there is a significant increase in the image quality. Now in the second method, we will use the Img2Img Tab instead of high-res fix. Just generate the image like you did in text to image tab and then send it to Img2Img by clicking here. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop your image here directly from the output folder. The results may be different compared to the first method, so let's check it out. Now, follow my settings. Set the samplers to DPM++2M Karras or TPM++2SA Karras. Keep the sampling steps between 25 to 30. Click on Resize By and set the scale to 2x. For the denoising strength, you can keep anything between 0.4 to 0.7. Now let's hit generate. So, we have used two different methods to upscale. Here is a comparison between high-res fix and Img2Img generations. As you can see, even though we used same settings and seed, there is a slight difference. Cause the samplers used in high-res fix was different than the one used in Img2Img. Now, let's go further and make the image even bigger. For further upscaling, we will use an extension called Ultimate SD Upscale. Go to Extensions, Available and click Load From. Search for Ultimate SD Upscale and install it. After installing, just reload UI so that everything works smoothly. I won't do that cause I have already installed it before. Drag and drop your image here directly from the output folder. For the denoising strength, you can set anywhere between 0.2 to 0.4. Because going above 0.5 may cause problems. Scroll down and select Ultimate SD Upscale from the script section here. For the target file size, choose the scale from image size and set it to 2x. We will use the Full HD Remakri upscaler again, which we used previously in high-res fix. Now hit generate. This may take a while depending on your PC, so just sit tight. Boom! It's generated. As you can see, we have further enhanced the quality of our image. Now you can just stop it right here or can go all the way to 8x as promised in the thumbnail of this video. So let's go and do it. Click this button to send the image to Extras tab. Set the scale by to 2. For the upscaler, choose 4x Ultra Sharp. Now hit Generate. Boom! We have blown it all the way to 8x. Here's a comparison of all the images. This is the first one that we generated in Text to Image tab, then the high-res fix, then the 4x which we created using Ultimate SD Upscale, and finally the 8x with the Extras tab. And that's it. Congratulations! I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. Watch this video if you wanna know more about a stable diffusion, and I will see you in the next one.